Manufacturing is the future. STEM is the future.
Manufacturing is just not what you might think it is. There are so many areas you can get into.
It's easy to get caught up in the homework, test, quiz cycle and not really have your eye on what comes next.
There's lots of opportunities for these smart kids coming in with these certificates and advanced learning.
Now that I'm actually doing stuff, I don't really see it as a plan B anymore.
You can try a number of different programs in these camps will allow them to do some career exploration, whether they know that's what they're doing or not.
I think the earlier that we can expose students, it only helps them to make a decision that they'll be thankful for in the future.
If your kid is interested, I think you should definitely nurture that and help it grow.
As parents, we need to support our kids' journey and encourage them to explore.